What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoe-tainment today. Coming at you with my fourth upload of the week. And today is going to be a real review. I bought this pair of kicks off of StockX. Got it in. I haven't opened the box. That's why when I say I do real reviews, man, I do real reviews. I keep everything quiet. I don't open the box. I sit there and wait. I won't even look at it till I can get a camera on. 90% of the time. But at any rate, man, I was waiting on this pair. Struck out on release day or whatnot. If this is your first time over here in Atlanta, McFly, man, I welcome you. What's up with it? Hopefully you come back, become a freaking flyer, man. Check out all my content. I'm doing a lot of reviews, a lot of opinionated things, gearing up for the mall vlogs, independent shoe businesses. I'm gonna be getting in there, man. It's looking up, man. We're gonna be doing some big things over here, man. So just keep your eyes on me. Excuse me. I also noticed that when I watch a lot of other people's videos, everybody's setting goals. I ain't setting no goals, man, so we're gonna set some goals. Y'all ready? My goal is by the end of October to have 100 subscribers. We sit right now at a whopping total of 92. Been out here for 2 months, man. I guess that's not bad at all. I appreciate all the subs that I have. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos. Shout out to y'all, man. Without y'all, it ain't no me. Right now we're at 92, trying to get to 100 by the end of October. That shouldn't be hard to do, man. Shouldn't be hard to do. Everybody have a friend, tell a friend, we in there. Also, while we're on this brief intermission, I want to shout out my homeboy Greg Green, 3D printing aficionado. I got some pics of his new stuff that he did. We're going to stick up in here. I'll link them in the description. You guys need something 3D printed, go holler at the man. If you can think it, he can print it. With a knife. Savage life, son. But anyway, man, let's get this box open. In the comments, man, you guys can let me know if you're looking forward to anything this weekend. Ain't too much coming out, man. Feeling like it's really a week October, man. I ain't really got my eyes on nothing, to be honest with you. Like I said in my last video, after my third quarter cops, bruh, I'm broke. Ain't no money left in the bank, man. If you haven't seen that video, by the way, go check it out. If you haven't seen my full Jordan 1 collection video, go check that out too, man. I'm doing major things. As you can see by the all-white box, these are the Wing 5s. I bought these one because I like the way they look in pictures. For 2, they glow in the dark. For 3, I have the Wings 1s and the Wings 12s. If you haven't seen my my top 10 shoes in my Shoeseum video, go check that out, man. But for now, we're gonna get into this in McFly fashion. Man, this box ain't no joke, boy. As you see, got that receipt, StockX card. Drop all that in the box. This big ass Wings sign. I would go into and read all that, but I'm not. I was actually reading up on the partnership that they had on these. I'm hoping that this pair is one of the pairs with a lot of drawings on it, and not one of those ones with all the blank space. Either way, I ain't tripping. That shoe is heavy as hell. You hear how I hit the damn table? Sound like the T-Rex from Jurassic Park and shit. Boom, ba-boom. See if I can get this lid back on here. Yeah. It's looking good so far. I'm not gonna hold it in the hand and look at it. For all of you who are familiar with how we do it over here in Atlanta, McFly, we're gonna zoom it in and get you fitted up for that close-up action. All right, man. We zoomed up on that thing. Check it out. Retail on these bad boys was $200. Your traditional wing box with the gold hole right there. Gold jump man. We're gonna get to the shoes in a second. Flame. Jumpman logo. Let's see if I can one hand this box. Flex. Got this card here. That's upside down. And I dropped it. It's gonna stay down there. White paper, black paper. StockX sticker. StockX. Got a big video about StockX coming tomorrow. Quality control. Y'all get ready. What's this? I don't know what that is. It's like tape or something that was in the box. But yeah, man, like I was saying, got a big video coming tomorrow about StockX. I think you guys are gonna like. Get the box out the way. All right, man, let's get to the shoes. Cool. There we go. That's it. That's it. As you can see, man, here we go. You got the Wing 5s. If you buy them from StockX, they come with that StockX Verified. Got your little scan joint on there on the back. 2 sets of laces, which I'm going to tuck in so they're not in the way. This was a collaboration between Jordan Brand and Little Black Pearls, which is a organization in Chicago, like a foundation or whatever. It does stuff for kids. So kids did a bunch of designs and pretty much they put it on the shoe, which I thought was cool. You know, I've been hearing a lot of people say that these shoes are kiddie or a bunch of kids did it and yada yada yada, but in my opinion, I think that's the beauty of it. Because, you know, most kids have pure minds, and it's nice to see when they come and do stuff like this. You know, it's not like the last 2 Wings releases with the gold and black and white scheme or whatnot, which those were dope too, but I think this hits it a little harder, man. It's the youth. This is your future. You know what I'm saying? Putting in work on these shoes. Looking at this pair, as you hit the toe cap, like it's just so much stuff on this shoe, and like just trying to look at it all, it's just crazy. This leather is really good. It's just like that Fresh Prince leather. You got your wing netting here, which was an added bonus, glow in the dark on it. But you know, me just having time to really sit down and look at everything that's really on this shoe, man, it's crazy. You've got your red Jumpman on the back. However, I will say this. The pairs that don't really have a lot of drawing on them, like a lot of blank space, they don't look as good. Like this is kind of like a mixture of both. I got some blank space right there, but right after it, you know, wrap it around on this shoe, you know, it's pretty much covered. But, you know, some of the pairs I've seen, they've got blank toe caps and like, nah, bro, that's crazy. Got your glow-in-the-dark netting here. Flat white laces, traditional 5 status. You've got your glow-in-the-dark Wings shoe lace holders. I guess there's papers in there to protect it or whatever. 3M on that. Pull these back out. Behind the shoe, you've got that on there. I'm not sure if these are 3M on the tongue or not, but we're gonna find out, because you know I'm gonna hit you with that on foot action. This shoe is heavy though, man. This shoe is heavy as hell. Flipping up to the bottom, you got that I said that Gucci Mane so icy. Black Jumpman, Jordan. I see again. me grab the other shoe, man. Shout out to StockX for this grab. Barely over retail for it. Y'all know I'm cheap, man. I'm not paying no rate. But just the details, man, like these kids and their minds and the things that they think up, you know, I think it's cool. Like if I bought like a pair of all white shoes and I just like put a bunch of my daughter's drawings on it, it would kind of like have the same feeling. I mean, that one would be more exclusive to me because, you know, that's my kid and everything she do is great, but just putting it out there, man. Young minds doing big things, man. Dope shoe, you know. You can call it a kiddie shoe or whatever you want. I'm rocking with it. We're gonna put them on feet, man. Probably springtime. I'm gonna break these out, bro. For real. Got that other paper in there too. Put your wing on that. Let me zoom in so y'all can see that joint. Alright. Need to work on my camera hands, man. Need to work on my camera hands. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. A dope shoe. Shout out to Little Black Pearls and what y'all got going on, man. Keep the heat rolling. I wonder if every year Jordan Brand is gonna like pick another like foundation to collab with on these shoes. That'd be dope. Oh, I didn't show that. It's green in there if you can see it. Turquoise rather. But yeah, I hope they do. That'd be dope. So that way you always get a variety. Kind of like a DB type deal, but the wings version. That's cool. I was shocked that these came in GS. Like I've never seen a GS wing before. So maybe that's a thing of things to come, man. Maybe they'll GS a lot of them. Or make them more readily available. Because, you know, all the wings are limited. But either way, let's go and hop into this on foot thing. Alright, man. We out here on the porch. Fitted up on this thing. Guess who decided to show up today, man? Fucking fall did, because it is chilly as hell out here. I hope I don't look ashy, but I ain't going in to put on no damn lotion, so oh well. We got these things on feet. What you guys think about them, man? Let me know in the comments how you feeling. They feeling pretty comfortable, man. These remastered pairs, man, they feeling really good, because my Oreo 5s and my 2013 grapes, boy, them things are stiff. Actually, I think the last 5 that I bought was an Oreo 5. I can't wait to see the glow on these, man. You know, get them lit up, swap them laces out, man. It's gonna look like a whole nother shoe when I get done with it. Get you some of that walk-off action. Walk back action. I'm gonna start jumping around in my videos like Scoop. Yo, what made him want to do that, man? That's hilarious. Oh, the tongue is 3M, by the way. I wasn't sure earlier. It's definitely a 3M tongue. That was a nice added bonus. Staying traditional to the 5s. Quality's good. Comfort's good. They're not tight or anything. If you want to get this pair, I definitely recommend you going true to size. No need to go down or up or any of that. Just stay regular and you'll be good to go, man. So, for now, it's your boy McFly. Got another video coming up for you guys tomorrow. That'll be 5 uploads in a week. Who working harder than me, man? I'll wait. But until then, I'll holler at you.